All right, guys, today I'm going to do a full unboxing and review, and we'll even try it out on my new battery charger and maintainer. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. And as you can see, this is the main device right here. It is super heavy duty the second I took it out of the box, but I'll give you a close up here in a second. What's really cool about this battery charger is that you can use it on cars, trucks, motorcycle, and even boats. As you can see, it also comes with a manual and a couple fuses as well. And then this is what the actual device looks like. It's got a very nice display in the front. I'll come back to it. The fan in the back, some information, and then like I said, that nice display in the front, and then these very large clips so when you hook it up to the battery. And it does use a standard US plug to get it started as well. All right, so here I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. It does have two different options. It has a slow charger and a fast charger mode. I'm going to go ahead and set it to slow mode and then connect it to my car battery. And as you can see, it starts detecting everything right away. Really, really neat. And it's also very, very quiet. Like I thought it was going to be a lot louder than this. I'm going to show you the 6 modes that it has. It has repair battery, intelligent maintenance, full auto stop, full and non-stop, winter compensation, and summer maintenance. Literally something for everything that you need. So highly recommend.